Today, we're making ranch pork chops in our Instant Pot with some gravy. Doesn't that look good? Well, that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave with Wild Waynes. Starting any good dinner out right with a good drink. Alright. We will begin by slicing a couple of cloves of garlic. There you go. Now we'll take one whole onion, slice that up. There's my supervisor behind me. Hey girl. Go ahead and hit saute. We'll use one full ranch seasoning packet to cover both sides of our 4 beautiful pork sirloin chops. Make sure they're all covered evenly. There you go. Now our pot is hot. We'll add our oil. We'll throw in our pork chops in there to brown. There's some big pork chops. Top side, we'll add our fresh cracked black pepper. In about 2 or 3 minutes, you can flip them over. Beautiful browning. There you go. We have another exposed side, so we'll put some fresh cracked black pepper on that side too. After all 4 pork chops are done browning, put our onion in there. You can see we have some serious browning stuck to our pot. Just add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth and have it on saute. Use a wooden spatula and it'll scrape right up. And that's your gravy, baby. Yeah, okay. We're going to simmer those onions until they're just about candy. Good. Well, they're just about right. We'll throw in our garlic. Smells good. Give it a little simmer for about a minute. Let that garlic open up a little bit. We'll add the rest of our chicken broth. Give it a whirl. We'll cancel our saute function. Place our pork chops in that broth we just made. Make sure you get each pork chop touching that broth. Excellent. And we have some juice left on the plate, so we'll throw that in there too. Put your lid on and we'll seal it up. We'll pressure cook for 7 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll go ahead and make our cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir it up until it's smooth. After 10 minutes of natural pressure release, we'll release our pressure. And take your lid off. And carefully remove those super tender, delicate pork chops. Beautiful. Alright, let's make some gravy. Okay, hit saute. Get your whisk out. We're going to add our slurry in there and beat up those onions. Get our simmer going. Stir it up real good. Make sure you got everything up off the bottom. Watch your boil. Your boil gets nice and velvety smooth, just like that. That's the perfect gravy right there. We'll cancel our saute function, let that sit. We made some cabbage wedges to go alongside. Plugged in our ranch seasoning with a little bit of lemon. And then our gravy. My wife made a cucumber salad that was just perfect with our pork chops. Oh, look at that. Isn't that perfect? Perfect, juicy, ridiculously flavorful pork chops. Your whole family will love. Wow, the whole place smells amazing. There you go. I'm waiting to taste these all evening. Oh. Job well done. These pork chops were a hit. The entire family loved them. Good night, everybody. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share our video with your friends and family. If you're interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it and you can print it off. Check out what else we got out there. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.